What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Consumer Picks. I'm your host, and for the past semester, I've been testing student laptops like I was actually back in college. I'm talking about taking notes in lectures, writing papers at 2 a.m., video calling home, procrastinating with Netflix, and basically using these laptops the way real students do. My coffee shop tab is astronomical, and my backpack has been a laptop testing ground, but I finally know which laptops actually survive student life and which ones will leave you frustrated and broke. Choosing a college laptop is serious business. You're potentially picking a tool for 4 years of education and beyond. The wrong choice means dealing with dead batteries during finals, slow performance when you're rushing to finish assignments, and repair costs that'll drain your ramen fund. I've tested everything from budget Chromebooks to premium MacBooks, focusing on the stuff that actually matters to students: battery life, portability, durability, and performance for real academic work. Before we dive in, all the links to these laptops and student discounts I found are down in the description. Let's get academic. I've been testing the Acer Nitro 16 for 3 months, balancing gaming sessions with actual coursework, and it handles the dual lifestyle surprisingly well. The RTX 4050/4060/4070 options provide serious gaming power while handling demanding academic software. The 16-inch 165Hz display makes both gaming and productivity work enjoyable. The keyboard feels sturdy and pleasant for long typing sessions, which is crucial for paper writing marathons. The relatively subdued design means you won't look completely out of place in lecture halls. For engineering or creative students running CAD software, video editing, or other GPU-intensive applications, the discrete graphics card provides necessary power that other student laptops lack. The trade-offs are significant, though. Battery life suffers under normal use, and it's heavier than dedicated student laptops. You'll need to plan charging stops between classes. For students who game seriously and need computational power for their studies, this delivers both capabilities in one machine, though with compromises in traditional student laptop priorities. The Acer Chromebook Plus 514 has been my budget testing laptop for 4 months, and it proves that Chromebooks have evolved significantly from their basic origins. The Intel Core 100U CPU provides smooth performance for typical student tasks. Chrome OS's efficiency means this laptop runs smoothly even with modest hardware, keeping costs down while delivering reliable performance. For writing assignments, research, and general productivity, it handled everything I threw at it. The full-day battery life eliminated charging anxiety during long campus days. Build quality feels solid for the price point, and the lightweight design makes it easy to carry between classes. The limitations are clear: no complex software like Adobe Creative Suite or specialized engineering applications. But for students whose needs center around writing, research, web browsing, and basic productivity, it covers the essentials excellently. At this price point, it's hard to argue with the value proposition for budget-conscious students whose academic needs align with Chrome OS capabilities. I've been testing the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon for 4 months, and it feels like using the laptop you'll get at your first corporate job. At 2.17 pounds, it's incredibly light while maintaining that legendary ThinkPad build quality. The keyboard and trackpoint are exceptional, snappy, tactile, and perfect for extended typing sessions. Never having to leave the home row for cursor control becomes addictive once you adapt to the trackpoint workflow. Port selection is comprehensive, with Thunderbolt 4, USB-A, HDMI, and a headphone jack covering all connectivity needs. This eliminates dongle life that plagues many Ultrabooks. The 11-plus-hour battery life is solid but not exceptional compared to competitors. You'll want to charge nightly, but it'll get you through most full days of classes. For business students or anyone wanting to experience enterprise-grade hardware, this provides an authentic professional laptop experience with student-appropriate performance. The Lenovo Yoga 9. It's been my 2-in-1 testing laptop for 4 months, and the flexibility genuinely enhances the student experience. The OLED touchscreen delivers gorgeous visuals with exceptional color accuracy that makes content consumption enjoyable. The 2800 by 1800 resolution on 14 inches provides incredibly sharp text and images. The tablet mode works well for reading PDFs, digital textbooks, and note-taking with a stylus. The cosmic blue color stands out positively in lecture halls full of generic black laptops. Build quality feels tank-like despite the convertible design. The keyboard is clicky and satisfying for long writing sessions. The 5-megapixel webcam produces excellent quality for virtual classes and family calls. The OLED display and premium build come with corresponding battery consumption, though it still provides full-day usage for typical student workloads. Repairability is limited, but most students won't need to upgrade components. For students who want maximum versatility in one device, this delivers laptop, tablet, and presentation capabilities with premium execution. I've been testing the Microsoft Surface Pro for 5 months, and it excels specifically for students who prioritize digital note-taking and ultra-portability. The Snapdragon X Elite chip provides adequate performance while extending battery life significantly. The pen experience is exceptional for handwritten notes, diagrams, and annotations. The slim profile makes it incredibly portable, and the kickstand provides flexible positioning in various study environments. The increasing number of ARM-compatible apps, including Chrome, eliminates most compatibility concerns for typical student use. Windows Studio effects work well for video calls, though they're more novelty than necessity. The major consideration is software compatibility. Specialized applications for certain majors may not run properly on ARM architecture. Research your specific software needs before committing. Remember to budget for the keyboard and stylus, which are essential but sold separately. For students whose workflow centers around digital note-taking and ultra-portability, this provides unique capabilities. After 5 months of extensive testing, the MacBook Air M4 earns the top spot as the ultimate student laptop. The combination of performance, battery life, and build quality creates the complete package that justifies its campus popularity. The M4 chip delivers excellent performance for all typical student tasks while maintaining the fanless, silent operation that's perfect for libraries and quiet study spaces. The 15-plus-hour battery life means you can go entire days without worrying about charging. The 12-megapixel webcam upgrade makes virtual classes and family calls look professional. Support for 2 external displays with the lid open provides serious productivity potential for dorm room setups. The $100 price reduction makes it more accessible, starting at $999 for 13-inch and $1,199 for 139-inch 15-inch models. However, upgrade pricing for RAM and storage remains expensive, so choose your configuration carefully at purchase. Build quality is exceptional. These laptops survive years of student abuse while maintaining performance and appearance. The 15-inch model's speakers and display make it excellent for multimedia consumption. The macOS ecosystem works seamlessly with other Apple devices, and the resale value helps offset the initial investment when upgrading later. For students who want a laptop that'll reliably serve them through 4 years of education and beyond, this represents the best long-term investment in the student laptop category. You wanted the best student laptop? You got it. That's all for today, everyone. I hope this helps you find a laptop that actually survives college life and helps you succeed rather than adding stress to your studies. If this video helped you out, smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe if you want more real-world student gear testing where I actually use this stuff like a student so you know what works. I'll see you in the next one. Study smart.